Good morning, students. Today we discuss about laws of motion. That is Newton's third law of motion. Newton third law of motion. Newton third law. Third law of Newton third law of motion. Newton third law of motion. Newton third law of motion is every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So for suppose we apply the force on the wall with our hand. We apply the force with our hand on the wall. The same magnitude of force, we apply the force on the wall with our hand. The same magnitude of force, wall also applied the same magnitude of force in the opposite direction. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Okay. For example, flying birds. Birds flying with their wings. They push the air in backward direction. Birds push the air in the backward direction with some force. The air also push the bird in upward direction, in forward direction, with the same force, same magnitude of force. Fishes, swimming of fishes in the water. Fish push the water in backward direction in the water. Fish push the water in backward direction. The water also push the fish in a forward direction with the same force, same magnitude of force. But both directions are opposite. Equal amount of force, equal magnitude of force, but opposite in direction. Equal magnitude of force, but opposite in direction. Rocket. Example: rocket. Rocket release the gases, fire gases, downward direction with a high speed. Rocket moves upward direction with the same speed. Both forces or speed of rocket is equal. Rocket and released gases from rocket. Both forces are equal but opposite in direction. That fired gas moves downward direction with a high speed. With the same force, the rocket moves upward direction. So here both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay. Newton's third law of motion said that every action has there is equal and opposite. There is equal and opposite reaction. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law does not exist in isolated bodies. Isolated bodies means single body. Newton's first law applied in the single body. Newton's second law of motion F equal to ma applies in the single body. But Newton's third law does not exist in the isolated means single body. Two bodies are in contact. Two bodies are in contact. One body applies the force in one direction, another body applies same magnitude of force in the opposite direction of the first body. First body applies. Here object A, object B. For example, Earth, Moon. For example, Earth, Moon. Earth attracts the Moon towards its center. Moon also attracts the Earth towards its center, but their masses are different. But amount of magnitude of forces are equal. FBA, FAB, force of attraction, FBA. A object attract the B object with some force. Newton's already in the universe, in the gravity, in the universe, every body. Newton said, in the universe, every body, every object attract every other object with some force. In the universe, not only world, in the universe, every object attract every other object with some force. Here A object attract the object B. B object also attract the object A with the same magnitude of force, but opposite in direction. So Newton's third law does not exist isolated bodies or single bodies. Examples of Newton's third law of motion. First one is birds flying. Flying birds moves the air in the backward direction with some force. Air also exerts the same magnitude of force on the bird. So the bird will move in the forward direction. Here both forces are equal in magnitude. Birds apply the force with their wings and air apply the force on the bird. Both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, first example birds. Second example fish. Swimming of fish or swimming of person in the water. Person also push the water backward direction with his hands. With his hands, the water push the water forward direction. Push the water or water apply the force on the person. The person moves in forward direction. Here both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Another example or third example is a rocket. Rocket releases with high speed the fire gases. With high speed fire gases in the downward direction. With the same speed, rocket moves in upward direction. Here, the both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. First example, birds. First example of Newton's third law of motion, birds flying. Birds. Second example, fishes. Flying of fishes, swimming of fishes. Third example, rocket. This is the Newton's third law of motion. Newton's first law of motion. Newton's second law of motion. And Newton's, this is the Newton's third law of motion. And examples. First example, flying birds. Second example, swimming of fishes or swimming of person. Third example, moving of rocket. Okay. For suppose another example, take two springs. Take a spring, apply the both ends of the spring with your hands. Press the spring. Pull the spring with both hands. The right hand apply some force in one direction. The left hand also apply some force in other direction. Both forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, students. So laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion, Newton's second law of motion, F equal to ma. Newton's first law of motion also called law of inertia. Inertia is the property of any object. Inertia is the property of any object. Inertia, two types of inertia: static inertia or standing inertia, or dynamic inertia. So that is the Newton's first law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, F equal to ma. That means linear momentum. The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. Okay, here the force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. The force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. So therefore, F proportional to delta P by delta T. Here delta P is the symbol of momentum. Okay. Okay, students. This is the Newton's third law of motion. What is meant by Newton's third law of motion? Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law of motion does not exist in the isolated body or a single body. It exists between two bodies. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class. Okay.